Hey folks, it's me, Andrew the plumber. So in this episode, the client needed a new valve before the meter, and the new valve after the meter, because the city wants to replace the water meter, but they're afraid to touch the old valves. So what I had to do is call the city, and they came and shut the water at the street. And then I unswet the old valve. I put a new ball valve here, and then I unscrewed the old brass piping, and I installed another valve here, shutoff, and a new boiler drain. And I've also installed a new ground for the electric panel, because the old clamps were really rusty. So now it's brand new. So yeah, guys, that's how you replace the valves before and after the water meter. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.